Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Prabhu, you told, according to Guru Sadhu and Shastra, we know that while chanting the holy name, demigods come and they also take part in that chanting.
Sankirtana.
Sankirtana. So, do demigods have the power to resemble themselves everywhere? Like in this center we have the Sankirtan and other center we have Sankirtan. So, do they have the power?
They have the powers. Demigods can move around anywhere.
And also, similar to this, another question. Like we are talking about, you gave lecture on 2 days about this Archa Vigraha of the Supreme Lord. So do the demigods also have the same concept? They also come in that Archa Vigraha and we worship them and they reciprocate. And we have them everywhere around the globe, at least we have them in the different forms. So do they also reciprocate? They also come with the energy. What kind of energies do they come?
Their incarnation principle is different. Their incarnation principle, because they are not the owners of all these energies. The deity body is not them. Deity body is Krishna's energy. Right? So just like they have got, just like I can be in one body, which is nature's body. Nature has given this body, but I can be in one body. Demigods have been given that power by the super soul to be in different bodies. Here on Ganesha temple, there on Ganesha temple, there on Ganesha temple. But there, Ganesha is there in the deity of Ganesha. Just like even though I am not this body, because I am in bodily concept, I deal with the world as if I am the body, and the world also deals with me as if I am the body. Correct? Same thing happens in the deity of the demigods. They got the facility to enter different bodies and feel that they are the body. And the devotees go and pray and to the deity. All right, it's just like interacting with another bodily concept person. But they got capacity. More capacity. But that also, the Vedas have put so many. See, if you go, you see on Krishna's picture, installed or uninstalled. If you develop love for him, he's there, right there. Demigods are not like that. You have to have proper installation, everything. Those laws are adhered to, then the demigod gets that power to reside in that. Otherwise, it cannot. In our case, Hare Krishna mantra, chanted with faith, initiated, not initiated, the Lord will manifest there.